Need the best auto body shop in the Cedar Park, Texas Brushy Creek area? If you are trying to find an auto body shop in Cedar Park's Brushy Creek area, you can quit searching. Watch this auto body shop video for Cedar Park, Texas Brushy Creek service, auto body repairs estimates. As a vehicle owner, it is your task to seek professional help for auto repair services whenever needed. This is because the advanced technologies employed in vehicles requires a professionally trained mechanic to correct them if the need develops, and seeking unskilled help may do more harm than good. While we might think that referring to an instruction manual is all we need to get the basics right in our vehicle, it's always better to check out an automobile repair shop, as one step gone wrong can wreak havoc over the complete functioning of your vehicle. You can get certified automobile repair. It is best to try to find a company that has substantial experience in this industry, and which has a legacy of customer fulfillment. When it pertains to something as expensive and important as a vehicle, it's always better to be safe than sorry. However, with the dependable services of professional mechanics being accessible to you, you can restore your vehicle back to being comparable to new, without having to spend a fortune. It is very important to make sure that all the equipment, paints, frames, etc., used are of the best quality, and that the automobile repair shop has the needed infrastructure, such as humidity control, needed for the process. If you love your set of wheels and want to indulge in some elegant care, as for those inescapable scratches and dents that every vehicle owner has to face at some point, it is equally crucial to make sure that they are remedied using top quality services. You can save a lot of money by choosing advanced touch-up techniques and buffing methods with no swirl guarantee, which saves the need for a repaint. The service of paintless dent repair service, PDR, found at some automobile repair shops is also a fantastic way to get best vehicle exteriors on a boot. Make certain that the service is done by well-trained PDR service technicians. A professional automobile repair shop is one place that you absolutely won't regret driving your vehicle into. Complete auto body near me for Cedar Park, Texas Brushy Creek. Check out a local auto body shop in the Cedar Park, Texas Brushy Creek area to get your car back on the road today. This is a page on auto body shop in Cedar Park, Brushy Creek. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.